whatever you do every single day with a consistency. So, my friend, be careful. Whatever you are doing with a consistency each and every single day. So, be careful doing that work. Okay. Why? Because if you are doing something every single day, if the thing is good, then you will get a good result in future. But if the thing that you are doing every single day is not good, you are spoiling time, you are wasting your time every single day with the consistency, so you will not get a good result, and after some time in future you will have to face rejections, you will have to face losses, you will have to face problems in your life. So my friend, whatever you do with the consistency, be careful whatever you are doing each and every single day. Okay, because these small things can decide our future. These small things decide our future. These small things will decide our future. You know what? So today, through a story, I would like to show the power of consistency, the power of diligent, the power of diligent, the power of passion, the power of love, the power of you know tenacity, the power of passion. Okay, so I have a story today. So without wasting your time, let's start the story. First of all, let me tell you one thing. I was recording my video there, but what happens actually, the person who came from somewhere, and he said that you cannot record your video here, so he didn't allow me to record my video, so that is why I had to come from there. And now I am just recording here. So let's start the story. So what happens actually, there was a person, his name was Dashrath Manji. Okay, he lived in a very small village in Bihar. Okay, with his wife, and he loved his wife so much. So there was a rock, there was a big rock. Okay, so because of that rock, people had to travel 70 kilometers every day. If someone wanted to go to the hospital, to the school, so they had to travel 70 kilometers every day. So it was very bad problem, it was very frustrating for those. Okay, so what happens actually, one day Dashrath Manji's wife, yeah, his wife was coming from, I mean, she was coming by crossing that rock. She was bringing the water for her husband. She was bringing the water for her husband. Okay, so what happened actually, accidentally she just slipped down, and she yeah she fell down, and she just injured badly. Yeah, she badly injured, and because of the long duration she could not get the good treatment. Okay, and what happens actually, she passed away. So after just seeing this, Dashrath Manji was very very disappointed. Yeah, and he was very sad. Then he decided to break the rock. It was very very big rock. Okay, he decided to break that rock, so that people could not face the same problem in future. Okay, and he took his tool, only two, hammer and chisel. Yeah, he took, and then he started just breaking the rock. And people used to call him lunatic, people used to call him he's mad, people used to call him he has lost his mind. Okay, so what happens actually, but he didn't even care about it. He didn't care, he kept doing that work with a consistency. He kept breaking that, kept breaking, kept breaking. And after 22 years, after 22 years, he made a way through that rock. Through that rock he made a way, through that way path. people now, yeah, they are using, and they are going, and that way is now rest of it is rest of now 15 kilometers only. Before, before breaking it, it was, the duration was 70 kilometers, and now it is only 15 kilometers. Okay, he was consistent in his work, and because of that, he did whatever he wanted to do, and he made the way. Yeah, he just made the way for the people, so that no one could get the same problem, no one could, so that no one could face the same problem that he had faced. Okay, and that is why he made a way. So that's why I'm saying that we should also do whatever we are doing, we should also do that thing with consistent, but something good. Whatever you are doing, be careful to do that work. Be careful, my friend, because if we are doing something wrong, we are spending our time every single day, so our future will be ruined, our future will be destroyed. Okay, so just do everything with consistency, but good things. Okay, and try to understand the thing whatever is going on in the world, and what we have to do in our life. So I think it is enough for today. Thank you for watching.